This is the story of John. He's a dentist who knows his profession but doesn't have enough income. John needs a receptionist, but due to insufficient income, he can't hire one. Most at times, when John is working on a patient, his practice phone will ring, but John cannot divide himself into two to pick up the calls. It's not that John isn't hardworking. His dental practice only lacks the right marketing techniques to use in order to bring in a steady flow of patients needing dental care. Poor John. His dental practice waiting room is always empty. If only he had known about www.rankbetter@googlemaps.com. We are a unique marketing agency that helps small business owners like John, as well as plumbers, carpenters, legal offices, etc., with ranking high on Google and other 25 browsers citation, along with 125 social media sites. Luckily, John's friend, Mark, who saw his struggle, introduced him to our marketing agency. Before long, after entrusting us with the marketing of his practice, John started seeing a boost in foot traffic to his business. Now John can boast of a full waiting room every day along with 3 dentists and 4 office personnel working for him. John is happy. Are you a small business owner? Then be like John. Contact us over at www.rankbetter@googlemaps.com today to get started with marketing that helps you compete with big businesses while paying much less than them.